everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I'm out here in one of our pig areas. I'll have to show you because it's hard to see them behind me because I have them all like right here at my feet. I'll see if I can snap a quick video and put it in so you can see them. They're so cute. This is one of my favorite pig areas because we have Charlotte, our rescue pig, and then she just had babies recently too, and her babies are so cute. You have to see them. Anyways, I just wanted to shoot a really quick video this Saturday morning, just telling you about our contest that we have going on that's almost ending. It was running for the month of February. Darth Vader, he's very loud, I'm sorry. Anyways, the contest that we had going for the month of February was for a free 60 cell biodome, and it's been the one that I've been showing in all of my videos. And if you've missed the videos, make sure you check them out. We have a lot of videos this month. We did a lot of things getting ready for this upcoming gardening season. We made videos all about planting tomatoes, peppers, a lot of our cool season crops, and we talked a lot about specific varieties too, which ones are our favorites and why we like certain varieties over others, and then also basic videos too about like the differences between indeterminate and determinate tomatoes, and also differences between onions and chives. So we had a lot of videos, lots of variety out there, so check them out. And oh, now our donkey's going off. It's never quiet out here, but it's fun. I love it. But check them out for this month's contest. This is the last weekend that you can enter, and all you need to do is go through, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, and comment on any of those videos that we've made this month of February, and you'll be entered to win this biodome. I will link also to the full video talking all about the instructions and the details and all of that too down below, so you can check that out. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We'll see y'all again.